Hi there, I am Shariar Mahmoud Shamim. Welcome to my professional social media services. Do you need help with social media? Need to optimize your current efforts? With my order report will a comprehensive review be social media. My team analyze your brand profile, content engagement, and competitors to compile a score of your presence. While then tell you what you're doing wrong and how to improve what you're doing right. I also providing valuable brand feedback, industry insights, tip to improve and an action plan to succeed. I am a leading provider of social media marketing services on Fiverr since 2021 and I am here to help you. So stop spinning your wheels and let me to help take you to the next level. We look forward to working with you.